Today I'm going to show you how to edit the cover thumbnail in CapCut PC step by step so you can create a more attractive thumbnail for your video directly inside the editor. This is really useful if you want your project to look more professional, stand out in your library, and give viewers a better first impression before they even click play. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut PC and make sure you're on the main editing screen. Once your timeline is loaded, look just above the left side of your editing timeline. You'll see the cover tab and it has a pencil icon next to it. This is the option you need to create or change your video cover thumbnail. Go ahead and click the cover tab. A pop-up window will appear and this is where you can choose the frame you want to use for your thumbnail. To do that, scrub the playhead through your timeline and find a frame that looks clear, interesting, and visually strong. It's usually best to pick a frame where the subject is easy to see, the lighting looks good, and the image is not blurry or too dark. Once you've found the right frame, select it as your cover image. After that, click Edit Cover. This will open the cover customization window where you can fine-tune your thumbnail and make it look much more polished. Inside the editing window, you can add decorative text to make the thumbnail more clickable and informative. You can also change the font style so the text matches your video's tone and branding. If you want to make it more eye-catching, you can drag in shapes or stickers and position them wherever they fit best on the thumbnail. Take your time here and make sure the layout looks clean and balanced. A good thumbnail usually has a simple design, bold text, and clear visuals that are easy to understand at a glance. Try not to overcrowd it because too many elements can make it harder to read on small screens. When you're happy with the design, look to the bottom right corner and click Save. This will apply your edited cover thumbnail to the project. From there, your CapCut PC thumbnail will be updated and ready to use. And that's how you edit the cover thumbnail in CapCut PC. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in how your video looks and how professional your content appears. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.